Hello, welcome and thank you for tuning in to video number 2, the demonstration of the Inductionator Cube. Now in the previous video you may remember this. For me, any hypnotherapy session works at its best when you get that perfect induction. And now we can show you how this can be achieved using our new pioneering system. Some of the examples illustrated in this demonstration are taken from our original hypnotic gastric band procedure, otherwise known as the HGB procedure, which comes absolutely free with the Inductionator Cube. As you can imagine, this system has taken a number of years to research and develop, making sure that all elements work in perfect harmony, giving you flexibility as a therapist when working with clients. And now I'm going to show you some examples and some techniques and show you how powerful this system can be for you as a therapist. The best thing to do now to get the best sound quality is either turn your volume up full or put on a headset if you've got a headset. This will give you an idea of what your clients will hear through their headset. The elements we're going to show you are the main effect controls. These include volume, panning, bass, mid-range and special effects. Now full training for the sound bites and the headsets are supplied when you purchase the Inductionator Cube system. So let's get you plugged in. Let's get me plugged in. And firstly, what we're going to do, we're going to demonstrate the volume controls. The volume controls for the music and soundtracks are really easy to use. I'm just going to feed the music in now, and there we go. Anytime I need to, I can increase that big style. And I can increase the volume of my voice anytime I wish. So if I'm putting a suggestion across and I want that suggestion to stick, I can increase that volume at any time I wish. And then just back to normal. Now this can lead your clients into a profound hypnotic state. The next effect I'm going to demonstrate is called the panning system. This is a left-right control in the client's headset. So you can relax them down the left-hand side of the body, you can relax down the right-hand side of the body. You can even construct and repair aura beams down the left-hand side or down the right-hand side of the body. Example, I'm going to feed the music on now, and you'll hear that in the background. Example. Okay, I want you to give yourself permission and just imagine you've got a protective beam around your body, down the left-hand side of your body and down the right-hand side of your body. It's like an aura beam, we call it, and it's a protective beam. It goes round and round like a strobe light. Now, give yourself permission and allow yourself to just notice the colour of your beam. Notice the temperature of your beam. Notice the thickness of your beam as it goes down the left-hand side and down the right-hand side of your body, giving you a feeling of protection and a feeling of balance, balance, balance. That's right. Now this effect gives the client a feeling of balance and protection. Okay, the next effect I'm going to demonstrate is the bass. This is great in the initial induction stages and can be used as a deepener anytime you wish throughout any therapy session. So, example, music playing on in the background, and we're going to go from step 5 all the way down to step 1. Now, as you go down from 5, just give yourself permission to go deeper down to 4, deeper down to 3, deeper down to 2, and even deeper now down to 1. Just imagine yourself sleeping deeply. Now that's the bass effect, just with a touch of the button. You've got that bass anytime you need it and to use as a deepener. This next effect is called the mid-range effect. It gives the client a clear vision of their new goals, their new lifestyle change, right? So what happens is, once you've got rid of all the baggage, unwanted and unpleasant feelings and thoughts they've got, in whichever professional way you do that, you can use this fantastic effect. Example, music playing in the background, and once you've got rid of all that baggage, the client can see the picture of the new them. So, give yourself permission and allow yourself to see that picture of the new you, that clear picture at the front of your mind now, and that clear, bright picture at the back of your mind. In this new picture of the new you, you can see yourself there, walking with a spring in your step, feeling good about yourself. Notice how good you look, notice how good you sound. Notice how good you feel in the new picture of the new you. That's right. Now this is an absolute beauty. The clearness, the clarity and the freshness of this effect hits the spot every time. Now this special effect has got to be one of my personal favourites. This effect can be fed in anytime you're speaking to the subconscious part of the mind. Okay, right, example. But just let me tell you, as a professional therapist, you can allow your creativity to be unleashed and run wild, in a professional vein of course. Now the client will know that you're speaking to the subconscious part of the mind after introducing this effect 3 or 4 times. Music plays, and here we go. So as I speak to the subconscious part of your mind, you'll know that I'm speaking to the subconscious part of your mind. That's right. Anytime I speak to the subconscious part of your mind, you'll know that I'm speaking to the subconscious part of your mind. And all those positive suggestions can sink deeper and deeper back there where they need to be for you as a person. There we go. A simply brilliant effect. Now I'm going to show you some of the combinations, the most powerful part of this unit. First I'm going to demonstrate some sound bites, and then I'm going to use some effects. So first of all, I'll get the music playing in the background, and you'll hear that being fed in now. And in the HGB procedure, we use sounds of the operating theatre, like the monitors, and we also use the heartbeat. The heartbeat can be used anytime you wish in a lot of client issues, and you can actually speak to the rhythm of the heartbeat in the background. We've also got sounds of crowds. That's right. And as I speak to the subconscious part of your mind, you'll know that I'm speaking to the subconscious part of your mind. And as I want you to go deeper and deeper and deeper, and as I want to see the big bright white picture at the front of your mind and the big bright white picture at the back of your mind for your new successes to breathe and breed. As I relax down the left hand side of your body, and as you relax down the right hand side of your body. Absolutely magnificent. So those are just some of the techniques that I use personally. Now just imagine what you could do with your imagination and your input with this system. It can take your business to a whole new level. Now, to find out more about the Inductionator Cube and what's included, like the original Hypnotic Gastric Band Procedure course, please visit our website www.vakgroup.co.uk. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.